Hey guys, welcome to our channel HS Arts and Creations. Today we are going to make a paper wallet which looks in this way with two pouches inside to store money. So let's get started how to make a paper wallet. Now the material which is required is paper, sketches, fabric glue, some decorative items and a scale. First, we need to take a paper and then fold it into the half. We need to do it very perfectly so that it becomes very strong enough. Now, we fold it in this way, exactly into the half. And repeat the same with the other side too. Now we turn it in this way. We fold it into half again and repeat this for the second time. Now we fold it in this way. Then repeat it the other side too. This is how it looks when we fold those sides. And then we do like this. With a fabric glue, we need to stick those sides. We must not add much glue so that it will become slippery. We must add it in a perfect quantity so it fixes perfectly. And then we stick the other side too. We need to stick it very firmly. And now we stick it in this way. Then press it hard so that it attaches itself forever. Then we need to fold it into the half. Then press it very strongly so that it does not come out. Now we'll decorate our paper wallet. For that I have bought some decorative items. Those decorative eyes are googly eyes. Now I am sticking those googly eyes with the help of the fabric glue. Now we need to make the outline for our paper wallet using a scale and a sketch pen. I used black sketch. You can use any color of your wish. And the A4 size sheet also can be of your own color. You can make any design, but I have made it a dotted line across the boundaries. I've completed making it, and then I'm going to make the mouth. After finishing the decoration, this is how our cute and useful time pass paper wallet looks. And it is ready. You can use this wallet for storing money in this way and in this pouch too. This is our paper wallet. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. Our ID is